This is called. Val's trying to cut some wood.
Is it supposed to go like both ways?
Yeah.
How come it doesn't?
You gotta go fast. Short little strokes. Not one way.
Well, I can't get it to go the other way.
This is Val's Kung Fu class.
So I can't get, how come what am I doing wrong that I can't get to go both ways?
Short strokes. Hey, yeah, you're getting there. You're getting there. You're binding.
Huh?
You're binding.
What do you mean I'm binding? What the hell is
Come here, I'll show you. I'll sit on the log. I'll sit on the log. Let go, let go. Move that. Okay. Move that. Now, what were you saying about me? How come you didn't cut the rest of that wood?
Well, you didn't tell me because it was going to make it hard for me. No, that ain't going to work. Turn it over. Holy shit, that's like work.
You want me to finish it off for you? Hmm?
No.
You always think this stuff is easy. Go cut that wood. How come you didn't cut that wood?
Okay, do it. Whoops, sorry.
What's happening, chicken? Hey. Yeah.